Hi, this is Sir Darren, your online teacher. Today, we are going to discuss about an easy way in solving base rate and the percentage. So, an easy way to solve base rate and percentage. Of course, let's have a review first on the traditional way on solving the base rate and the percentage. Okay, the traditional ways we are using this Tietjen triangle, which is P, B, and R. Okay, so if that is horizontal, that is multiplication. If that is vertical, you are going to use division. Okay, so for example, if you are looking for base, okay, uh, that will involve vertical way. So P divided by R. Okay, but if you are looking for R, okay, that will become P and B. So vertical also, so P divided by B. And of course, you're going to multiply that by 100. Okay, and that is tricky there. All right, so we have here the last one. Okay, if you're looking for base, you're going to multiply. uh if you are looking for percentage, okay, you are going to multiply the base and the rate. Okay, and of course, okay, that is the traditional way. Okay, so I'm going to write traditional. That's the traditional way that is written in the textbook. Okay, but written in the textbook, okay, it's very tricky because of this rate. Remember that the rate, you are going to transform it into decimal first before you divide or you multiply it, because that was written in traditional way. Okay, but in this case, okay, we're going to solve base rate and percentage, okay, without transforming this rate into decimal form. And I think that is easier way to solve. There is another way in solving the base rate and percentage without using the Techon triangle, and that is by using the previous topic, which is the ratio and proportion. So B over 100, oh, is equal to percentage over rate. Okay, so here base, okay, this is the percentage and this is the rate. Okay, you're just going to plug everything if those are the given. Remember that our 100 is constant. It means it will never change. Okay, it's always there, always. Never forget that one. Okay, because our B is always 100%. All right, okay, now let's just take this as an example. Okay, so B is 100 and our percentage is, let's just say this is 60. Okay, and we are going to look for the rate. Okay, we don't know about that value of R. Okay, so by using the formula, B over 100 is equal to the percentage over the rate. Okay, so everything is given, you're just going to replace it. Okay, you're just going to substitute it. Okay, so our B is 100, so you replace that B by 100. Okay, over 100, you copy that one. And the percentage, you are going to replace that by 60. Okay, so 60, okay, divided by R. R is we don't know, so you're just going to keep it as R. Okay, and then the next thing that you're going to do is just cross multiply it. So 100 times R, okay, you're going to write it here, 100 times R is equal to 60 times 100. Oh my god, I don't have any space there. Okay, so you are this 100 times R, that will become 100R. Okay, and 60 times 100, that will become 6,000. All right, now we only need this R. Okay, so I'm going to encircle this one. We only need that one. Okay, but the problem is we have 100 beside that R. So all you need to do is just divide both sides, the left and the right, with 100. Okay, so you can cancel that one. So leaving only R. Okay, and 6,000 divided by 100, of course, there is a shortcut there. If we have zeros in the numerator and the denominator, you are just going to cancel one zero there, one zero, one zero, one zero, and there's nothing, there's no more zero. Okay, so 60 over 1 is equal to 60. And because that is rate, we are going to put percent sign there. So we are looking for 60%. That is for the rate. Okay, let's have another example here. So we have this base that is equal to 40, and we don't know about the percentage, and the rate is 60%. Okay, so by using the formula, B over 100 is equal to P over R. Okay, so B, we know that that is 40. Okay, so you're going to replace that by 40 over 100, and P, we don't know, so as is. Okay, write it P. Okay, and we have this R as 60. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to do is cross multiply. So we got this 40 times 60. Okay, and we got this 100 times P. Of course, so we got this 100 times P is 100P. Okay, and 60 times 40, what is the answer? We got 2,400. All right. Okay, and we are going to divide both sides by the number beside the letter, and that is 100. Okay, you are going to divide both sides, the left and the right, by 100. Okay, so you are going to cancel this one, cancel this, leaving only P. Okay, so 2,400 divided by 100. Okay, you're going to cancel the zeros. Okay, two zeros above, two zeros down. So we got 24 over 1. So we are looking for 24. That is the value of our P. As simple as that. You're getting it? All right. Okay, so let's have another example. Okay. Okay, now, so for this given, so we got the base, okay, is 60. Still, the percentage we don't know. Okay, but our rate is only 10%. Okay, again, by following the formula, B over 100 is equal to the percentage over the rate. Okay, B is 60. So you're just going to replace it, 60 over 100. The P is we don't know, so we write P. The rate is 10. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to do is just cross multiply 60 times 10, and we got 100 times P. Okay, so 100 times P. Okay, so 60 times 100 times 10 rather, so that will become 600. So 100 times P will become 100P. Okay, so we are going to divide both sides by the number beside the letter, which is 100. Okay, divide both sides by 100, divide both sides by 100. Okay, so cancel, cancel. So we are going to have P only. So 600 divided by 100, that will give you 6. So the percentage that we are looking here is 6. You're getting it? You're following? Very good. What if the base is missing? Okay, so base is we don't know. Okay, MP is 15 and the rate is 75%. Okay, so what will be the base? So again, we are just going to use the formula. B over 100 is equal to the percentage over the rate. Okay, the B is we don't know, so write B. Okay, over 100, and P, okay, we got 15 there. Okay, and the rate is 75. Okay, you're just going to cross multiply. So 75 times B, okay, and the other side is 100 times 15. Okay, so B times 75, that will give you 75B, or equals 100 times 15, that will give you 1,500. Okay, so you are going to divide both sides by the number beside the letter, and that is 75. Okay, so divided by 75, divided by 75, you can cancel now the 75 here. Okay, cancel. So leaving only B. All right, so 1,500 divided by 75, that will give you 20. All right, so the base here is equal to 20. Okay, so that's what we are looking for on this problem. Getting it? Now let's have another one where base is still missing. Okay, so we got here b, we don't know the percentage, we knew that it's 60. Okay, and the rate is 50. Okay, again we are going to use the formula, which is b over 100 is equal to the percentage, okay, over the rate. All right, so the base we don't know, so write b. Okay, so over 100. Okay, 100 equals, okay, the percentage is 60 and the rate is 50. Okay, so you're just going to replace it there and then cross multiply. So b times 50, 100 times 60. Okay, so b times 50, that will give you 50b. Okay, equals 100 times 60, that will give you 6,000. Okay, so we are going to divide both sides by the number beside letter B. So that is 50. So divide both sides by 50. Okay, so cancel, cancel. So B is equal to 6,000 divided by 50. So that will become 600 divided by 5. Okay, so that will give you, what is the answer? 100. Okay, 120. Okay, 120. Very good. Okay, so the number that we are looking for here is 120. So let's write it here. All right, so I hope you get it. Thank you for watching. Kindly share and subscribe for more videos. This is your Sir Darren, now signing off.